I'm Daniel Fried. I'm from Veeam Software. I am the GM and SVP of EMEA and Worldwide Channels. Veeam is, first of all, is a pure software company that is developing backup and replication applications to make sure that all the data that customers have is saved. It's replicated, is backed up, and can be secured in all the possible ways. VMware is a huge partner of us. We've been partners from the first day on, because the first applications that the company Veeam Software developed has been on vSphere. But the core and the key of Veeam Software has always been vSphere and VMware. We have about 450,000 customers around the world, and 300,000 of them are running Veeam on vSphere. It's extremely interesting what we've seen over the last years. A lot of companies are trying to accelerate their transformation to more cloud-native type of applications. But it could be Cloud A, Cloud B, Cloud C. So this is where multi-cloud starts to be important. And this is what VMware is doing extremely well. Veeam is optimistic about VMware roadmap multi-cloud for only one reason, is all customers are going to go multi-cloud. Because all customers have to understand how they can use Cloud A or Cloud B or Cloud C. We just ran a survey where we saw that 88% of companies that have been running in Cloud A have moved to some other cloud. Cross-cloud is very important. It is linked to what we call the agnosticity. What VMware is doing now with the multi-cloud is absolutely key to us because that builds the infrastructure which allows the end customers to be capable of moving from Cloud A to Cloud B or Cloud C. We do exactly the same, where we can have the backup and the replication from Cloud A to Cloud B, Cloud C to on-premise, to hybrid clouds, to whatever is needed to ensure that everything is secured. VMware is a good partner on security because again, the flexibility they provide on the infrastructure, something that all companies are having now, it's ransomware. And this is where I also love the initiative of VMware with the Intrinsic Security. At VMware, something which we love in Europe, which is the sovereign cloud technologies, because it is something data privacy is becoming a top subject, a very hot subject here in Europe. If you've used the right technologies, the right way of making sure that your infrastructure and your data, so VMware and Veeam, is structured, organized correctly, then you're safe. That means that you can restore everything extremely quickly. We also have a technology which is the CDP, continuous data protection, where you can with every 3, 4, 5 seconds, your data can be backed up and eventually can be recovered. So all that helps and come on top of everything that VMware is providing to customers. What is very important is that VMware and Veeam are totally capable to adapt to the changes that customers may require. So this flexibility that we bring together to the customers is a big benefit for them. They can move right now and then change it when they want it. So this is why the agnosticity is very important. Being part of the Cloud Smart ecosystem is absolutely important because we only run the data layer and you need to have the entire infrastructure that VMware is absolutely providing. As a partner, Veeam loves the technology that VMware provides because it's up-to-date technology. It is technology that is thinking about the future, and VMware is definitely very customer-oriented.